today. Damn. I knew that was gonna happen. Those wet boards. That's why I wanted to go off the boards. Super slick on these roots. I hate how people dump trash down here all the time. Passed it again. Definitely gonna have to take this jacket off. Put like a windbreaker on because it's like misting, but it's way too warm for that. Just gonna take it off and throw it down right here. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed recently. Seems like I've gotten a decent bit of subscribers recently, so I really appreciate that. And I really plan on making a lot of trails through these woods here soon, because riding the same shit over and over and over gets boring. like I said, I love riding after a decent rain, but it rained overnight and no idea how much we got, but with the rain on top of the leaves just makes it super slick. Another reason why I like to clean trails, because when it rains you can't get any traction if there's leaves on top. Damn, hit the front brake a little too hard right there. Decent save. Yesterday, but I had to work. I actually worked 2 jobs because I got really expensive hobbies. Dirt bikes, and I'm really into cars as well. So neither of those are cheap. So I didn't get off the bike to see if everything was fine, which obviously the clutch was fine. Just got a little dirt there, but I was a little worried about the exhaust. Obviously $1,300 exhaust, but just scratched the plastic there and scratched up the sticker a little bit. Thankfully no dents or anything like that. So just a little scrape, no big deal. Super slick, especially over here. This is like dirt. It's very weird. It's like it's usually like really sandy in the summertime, and when it gets wet it's just super slick. No traction. Gotta be careful on the leaves. Like I said, I don't want to wreck over something stupid and mess my exhaust all up, and I just got it put on. It's definitely why you gotta keep trails clean and everything though, to prevent stuff like that. But on a 4-wheeler you don't really have to do that, because that'll just kind of blow the leaves out of the way. Front brake a lot more than the back, but definitely don't want to do that on wet leaves or on wet ground too much. I'll be back to get that. would love to have a street bike, don't get me wrong, but I would just tempt myself too much to go on roads that I should not go on, and I would only ride back roads because people just do not pay attention or are just super careless. I've had a lot of people I know wreck, and unfortunately some pass away in motorcycle accidents. So dirt bikes are dangerous as it is, but don't ever see myself stop riding dirt bikes or four-wheelers. Really sucks that I wasn't able to ride with those guys yesterday because it's like people always fake on riding. They always, oh yeah, we're gonna ride this, that, and the other, then never go. Or make up some lame excuse. Like, if you don't want to go, just say that. But that's just how people are in general these days. For watching, please subscribe if you have not already. Check out some of my other videos, and catch you guys in the next video.